Good evening, friends. You all are very eagerly waiting for my videos. I heard from many people. There are people who have not subscribed me, but they are eagerly waiting for my videos. But एक काम करो ना, सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो. नीचे बटन प्रेस कर दो सब्सक्राइब का, बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दो. एक सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा, अच्छा हो जाएगा मेरे लिए भी. Okay, that's for you to decide. But if you are watching my videos, why don't you all subscribe? One question, as a innocent vlogger, I would appreciate. I wouldn't force anybody, but I would appreciate if you all subscribe to my channel. And thank you for all the subscriptions and for all those people who have subscribed to me also. And Diwali ke baad abhi after a week again I came up with a new vlog. As you all are saying ना कि vlog नहीं डालते वगैरह वगैरह, जल्दी डालो. People are interested in watching. So here I come up with. Today we'll talk about a honest journalist who's doing his job and who's spreading candid, fearless journalism for 25 years. He's doing his job. He's in this career from 25 years and वो किसी से डरते नहीं. वो जो सच दिखाना चाहिए, जैसा दिखाना चाहिए, he is showing it that way only, without any fear, without any problem. Even if you lit fire to him and put his hand, he is okay with it. आग जला के उनका हाथ उसमें डाल दोगे ना, then also is okay with it. Okay, a lot of us might have understood who I'm talking about. Arnav Goswami. He was recently arrested and accused in a suicide case. But this is all political pressure. And I feel politics should be away from journalism. And journalists should have a free hand, like all over the world they do. In India also they should have a free hand. Don't you think so? यहाँ पे किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो बस politics का आ जाता है कुछ ना कुछ. Lot of political parties. I don't want to take any names because I am not against anybody, but I am just for. I am not against any political party, but I am just an honest supporter of Arnav Goswami, and I really envy the way he talks, the way he puts up things in a upfront way on any subject without caring about anything. And I feel India really needs that honest journalism. Because if a person doesn't speak in an honest way, then there will be no honesty in India. As it is, there's quite a bit of a corruption. At least a person should be using non-corrupt behavior in his words. Yeah, and I do feel he's been arrested because he speaks for many issues like Sushant Singh, etc., etc. And there are a lot of keeps on challenging politicians and etc. things like that. And he has right now also he has challenged people that in 15 months he will make his channel international. All the best to you from me as a vlogger, as a common man. I would like to give him all the best. One thumbs up from me. And what else to say? Like another thing is he was the only one who took up the Palghar case without caring about anybody. And there was again before this also there was a political party who tried to attack him. No names. I don't like to take any names because I am not against anybody. I am just speaking the truth. Why should I take any names? But he was attacked. His wife was attacked in a car and then he was forced to go into the police station to lodge a complaint. That time also in Delhi, I think. Delhi or Bombay, it was somewhere. You can go and follow it in the news. As a common man over here, I would say, we are with you. Move ahead. You've completed 25 years of honest journalism. Soon you'll complete 50 years. With more 50,000 followers, public, and good students who would like to learn from you. And I feel, I know he's not interested, I know you're not interested enough, but I feel if after Modi, if somebody can talk the truth without being fearless, is you. I think you should go into politics. And those who feel this way, add a thumbs up to my video. Those who feel this way, he should become a politician. I know he won't, I know you won't, but you should. Okay. Thank you very much, viewers. I hope you are happy with my vlog, and I'll be coming up with good subjects this way.